Alright, my first attempt on Heartless Lightning Link. Of course, it's for you, Erica, and anyone else that's a big fan of these Lightning Link games. Let me turn up the sound. I'm only gonna try 20 bucks. I have it on 2-cent denomination as always. I forget if those diamonds are wild or not. I haven't seen a lot of videos of this version. I always kind of do like to learn how games go as I go. I always like playing these on 2-cent denomination. To 30 cents. Too short. As the big payback always says, this is no good. Is that the bonus symbol? I don't remember. Okay, so the diamond must be wild. Yeah, anyway, as the big payback always says, this is no good. Okay, and I take it the moon symbol is your is the bonus symbol. I haven't had one win bigger than my bet yet. All right, my first win bigger than my bet. At least just need the wilds to keep showing up. 40 cents. Chocolate boxes. Well, just a few more spins. I needed those up front. Last one. Okay, now one more. Last one. And that's it. No, I don't get another spin. That's it.